Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on NUBIA Neo 3 5G. Okay, so first open up your WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now find chats, scroll down a little until you find chat backup. Okay, and now let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. If you tap on that, you can see that in my case, currently this Google account is selected. That's basically the Google account that I'm also logged in the settings of my phone. And on that selected account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want, you can add another one. Simply click on add account and then sign in into other Google account. Okay, down below we have automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. And I also highly recommend selecting one of those options. For example, daily, weekly, or only when I tap backup. But for me, monthly is perfect. Okay, down below we have the possibility to include the videos in our backup. Also highly recommend turning it on. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It is not necessary to turn it on, but it's like an extra security feature, because if you choose to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create a backup. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. If you don't have enough, you need to delete something. And now simply hit backup button. The process will start, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now take a look on the last backup. You can see the hour. So that means that everything went successfully and our backup has been successfully created. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.